slow motion in 120 frames per second, 4K, higher resolution than we've ever seen on an iPhone. Well, I've got the new iPhone 16 Pro here. We want to check it out. Where better than Venice Beach Skate Park, right? So how does 120 frames per second look if you're not shooting slow-mo? It's going to be fun to walk down the boulevard here in Venice. Some things you need to know about shooting slow-mo on the new iPhone, the 16 Pro. First of all, you can shoot in video mode in slow-mo at 120 frames per second, but when you look at it and you play it back, it's not going to be slow-mo. It's not going to be slow-mo. The way to make it slow is to actually slow it down. Let me tell you how to adjust the speed of your slow-mo. That's one of the selling features of the new 16 Pro models. You open up your video, you click edit, and then there's a little stopwatch at the top of the screen. And you're given 4 different flavors. You get 100% at 120 frames per second, 50% at 60, 25% at 30 frames per second, or 20%. These are all things you can change afterward. You can shoot in slow-mo, the mode, on your phone, and it will look slow. You won't be able to adjust the speed afterwards. It'll just be higher resolution. The other thing you want to know about shooting slow-mo at 4K 120 is all your lens choices have gone away. No, I shouldn't say all your lens choices, some of them. I'm looking at 1x and 2x, even though I've got a 5x lens here as well, but it doesn't show up in video mode when I shoot at 120 frames per second. In slow-mo, same thing, 1x and 2x, so you'll have fewer choices. If you don't shoot at 120 frames per second, you get the other lenses back. Overall, it's a great feature. I'm thrilled to have it. So a lot more fun that you could have with slow-mo on the 16 Pro. I look forward to playing more with it in Venice Beach, California. I'm Jefferson Graham. Stay tuned for more episodes of PhotowalksTV.